Today, we are going to be installing Kali Linux on a virtual machine using VMware. Before we get started, we recommend creating a folder to save the files we are going to download, so it would be easier to locate and manage the files. Let's start. Open your favorite browser and log on to VMware's official website. Once on the website, scroll down and download the installation file based on your OS. In this case, it is the Windows. Now, as the file is downloading in the background, log on to kali.org to grab your copy of Kali Linux. Once on the website, click on Download. Go to the Virtual Machine section and get the VMware version of Kali Linux. As the two files are downloading, you would find yourself some time which can be used to get some fresh air, munch on some snacks, and scroll through some reels. After the downloads are completed, locate them on your PC. Install VMware by double-clicking the file. Now, open the VMware and activate it by entering the license key shown on the screen. Next, we are going to install Kali Linux on it. Locate the downloaded file and extract it. Now, follow the steps shown on the screen to complete the setup. Your hacking machine is ready. Happy hacking!
I should fuck her in the Benz.